Hello friends, good evening. This is your Abhilash Sir again. Okay, mathematics faculty for JEE EAPCET and also KCET and also for foundation. So in the previous session, that is in the live session JEE session, we discussed about partial fractions, integration by partial fractions. So in this session, that our questionnaire session, will be continuing solving the questions pertaining to TG EAPCET 2025 mathematics paper. Okay, in the previous class we have done so many questions. So let us continue from there. So this is the actual paper, that is TG EAPCET paper. So let us continue solving those questions. I hope the sessions are useful for you. Let us continue solving the questions. So I think we are done up till 24 questions. Now let us continue from there. Please do watch the previous sessions so that you have complete clarity when it comes to solving these questions. So we have to solve from this question, right? So we have to solve from this question, all right. I hope the questions are visible to you. Don't miss any of the sessions so that you will have complete continuity and also you will learn the concepts with much clarity. So attending each and every session is very important so that you will have clarity over each and every concept. Okay, so this is the question that they are given. Okay, this is the question from which we have to start now. All right, now what they are given is, what is the question that they are given is, let me take which color, let me take some color. Okay, this is the color, let me use. So see here, they are given x belongs to minus pi to plus pi open interval, then the number of solutions of this equation that they are asking. So what is the equation they are given? Let us see. So the equation that they are given is, they are given 2 sin x into sin 3x into sin 5x plus sin 5x into cos 4x is equal to 0. This is the thing that they have given. Here what you can see, as you can see here, sin 5x is common. If I take it common, what I will get? Sin 5x, if I take it common, I will get it as what? I will get it as 2 times sin x sin 3x plus cos 4x, right? This is what I get. Now if I see this 2 times sin x sin 3x, this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but, it is of the form 2 sin a cos a, correct? No, 2 sin a, actually 2 sin a cos b, okay, 2 sin a cos b, that is nothing but equal to what? So not cos b, this should be actually 2 sin a sin b, this is sin b, right? So this will be 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b is nothing but equal to what? Cos of a minus b, okay, it is minus cos of a plus b. Don't get the formula wrong. Okay, this is the formula, we will use this here. Okay, here 2 sin x sin 3x, so this will become what? This actually, this will turn out into sin 5x, okay, 2 sin, that is cos of a minus b, that is cos of 3 minus 1 is, that is nothing but what? Cos of 3 minus 1 is, it will become 2x. So this will become cos 2x, okay, cos 2x minus, what is this? Cos of a plus b, cos 4x plus cos 4x. This what we will have? This will be equal to 0. Minus cos 4x plus cos 4x will cancel. So I will be left with what? I will be left with sin 5x into cos 2x, right? Sin 5x into cos 2x I will be left with. Now sin 5x will be equal to 0 and cos 2x will be equal to 0. So sin 5x will be equal to 0. The general solution can be written as what? 5x can be written as n pi. Okay, so x will be equal to what? N pi by 5. So the number of solution for this equation can be written as what? This is divided by 5. So the number of solutions will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, 0, plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is what we have. Similarly, for cos 2x is equal to 0. So how many solutions are there here? Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 solutions are there. Now cos 2x is equal to 0. For cos 2x is equal to 0, what I can write? Cos 2x is equal to 0 we got. So this is of the form 2x can be written as what? 2 times k plus 1 into pi by 2. 2 times k plus 1 into pi by 2. So x will be equal to what? 2 times k plus 1 into pi by 4. Okay, so the number of solution for this will be what? For this one, the number of solutions will be equal to what? So for this one, the number of solutions will be equal to, I'll write it here, the number of solutions will be equal to, actually this will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, that's all. If I put 3 you will not get the value, you will get a different value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are having how many solutions? 6 solutions. So here we are having total 9 solutions, here we are having 6 solutions. But we have to look at repeated solutions and the value which is repeating again. So if you put k is equal to minus 1 and plus 1, you will get the same value, which you can check by yourself. Okay, if I put k is equal to minus 1 and plus 1, you will get the same value. So those two values we have to remove it. Okay, those two value, if you remove it, what is the number of solutions it will become? This will become, actually this, if you remove two solutions, two values, or you have to remove from not this one, actually you have to remove this from these solutions. So this will be k is equal to minus 1 and plus 1. If you remove here, this will become equal to 4. So total number of solutions is what? 9 plus 4, that is nothing but equal to what? That is nothing but equal to 13. We will get the number of solutions equal to what? We will get the number of solutions equal to 13. So what is the answer to this question? That is option 3, that is 13 is the right answer, friends. That is 13 is the right answer to this question. Okay, this is the solution to this question. Now if you want to have this solution, you can take a screenshot. Okay, please take a screenshot if you want to. If you want to note down the solution, please take a screenshot and solve it by yourself and then look at the solution. Alright, okay. Now let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. Have a look at this question. Have a look at this question. So what they have given here, tan inverse of x plus 2 by root x, tan inverse of x minus 2 by root x, it is equal to tan inverse of x. Then they are asking us the number of values of x satisfying the equation. They are not just asking the values of x, satisfying the equation. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of this is given. So this is of the form tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is equal to tan inverse of c. So tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is nothing but equal to what? Tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. Okay, so instead of putting tan inverse, let me simplify this. I will write it as x plus root 2 by x plus this is x minus root 2 by x divided by 1 minus x plus root 2 by x into x minus root 2 by x. This is what I have here. Plus root 2 by x minus root 2 by x will cancel. I will have what? I will have only 2x by what is this? A plus b into a minus b, that is nothing but equal to a square minus b square. So this will become what? Minus x square minus root 2 square is nothing but 2 by x square. Okay, so this will be 2 by x square. So this will become what? 2x by x square will go up. Okay, if I multiply and take LCM, this will become x square will go up, this will become x square, this x square will come here because LCM if I take, this will be in 1 will become x square minus x square. Okay, x square minus what is this? X square minus 2 by x square. So this will be x to the power of 4. This will be x to the power of 4. Okay, minus x square plus 2. Okay, x square minus x to the power of 4 plus 2. This will be equal to what? This will be equal to x. Okay, this will be equal to x. Now 2x cube is equal to what? 2x cube is equal to x into x square minus x to the power of 4 plus 2. Okay, x to the power of 4 plus 2. This is what I have. You should not cancel like that. If you cancel it, you will get the wrong answer. Please keep it like this itself. Now if I bring everything to LHS, first let me multiply this. What I will have here? If I multiply this, I will have what? X to the power of 4. Okay, this one. Okay, if I multiply x into x to the power of 4 into plus 2, what I will have? X into x to the power of this is what? Let me write it another step. Let me write another step. This will become what? I will write here 2x cube is equal to x into x square is nothing but x cube. X into x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5. Okay, x into 2 is nothing but 2x. Okay, if I bring everything to LHS, what it will become? X to the power of 5. Okay, plus 2x cube minus x cube. Plus 2x cube minus x cube. I will write it directly. It is x cube. Okay, this will become what? This will become x to the power of 5. 2x cube minus x cube is x cube plus x cube. Okay, this will become minus 2x is equal to 0. Now let me take x common. If I take x common, what I will have? X to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2. This is equal to 0. Now here I have biquadratic equation. I have to solve this. Instead of solving biquadratic, let me turn it into quadratic. So I can take what? Let me put x square is equal to y. So x to the power of 4 will become what? Y square. So if I put it here, this will become what? X into x to the power of 4 is nothing but what? Y square plus x square is y minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I factorize this, what I will get it? If I factorize this, I will get it as x square. This is what? Minus 2 is there. So I can write it as what? 2 into 1. So this is what? Y square. What is this? Minus 2 is there. So this will become what? This will become plus 2y minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this will become x into y into what is this? Y if I take common, y plus 2 minus y plus 2, this is equal to 0. Now what I will have, x into y plus 2, okay, into y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I will put y is equal to x square here. So this will become what, friends? This will become equal to what? This will become x into, what is this? This is nothing but what? Y plus 2 is nothing but x square plus 2. This will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now one thing you must understand, that if I put x square is equal to minus 2, this will have no real roots, okay, no real roots. So I can discard this. Now I am left with what? X and x square minus 1 is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, what will this become? This will become root 2 by 0. This will become root 2 by 0. So this is not defined. This is not defined, right? This is not defined. So I should put x is equal to 0. That is also discarded. Now I have what? Only one thing left, that is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. This I can write it as what? A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. This will become what? X minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x will become equal to 1 and x will become equal to minus 1. So I have how many satisfying equation? How many values of x? That is 1 and minus 2. Okay, that is 1 and not minus 2, this is 1 and minus 1, that is 2 values. So how many values we have? That is 2 values, that is 1 and minus 1. The answer is, correct option is option 3, that is the values satisfying x is, number of values satisfying x is 2, that is 1 and minus 1. This is the way to solve this question, friends. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next one. Please take a screenshot of this if you want. Alright, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this solution. Got it? Now, I hope it is done. Let us move to the next one. You can see this very simple question. They are given, they are asking cot h square minus x minus tan h square minus x. Okay, trigonometry in terms of hyperbolic function they have given. So how to solve such questions? So see here, one thing you must understand, that if I convert cot and tan in terms of sin and cos, what it will become? It will become what, friends? It will become sin square, this will become cos, right? This will become cos h square x by sin h square x minus sin h square x by cos h square x. Okay. So if I take LCM, what it will become is, ultimately it will become cos h to the power of 4x minus sin h to the power of 4x by sin h square x into cos h square x. Okay, into cos h square x, this is what I have. Cos h to the power of 4x minus sin h to the power of 4x. This of the form, which form? A to a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as what? A plus b into a minus b. Similarly, this can be written as what? Cos h square x minus sin h square x into cos h square x plus sin h square x divided by what I have? Sin h square x cos h square x. That can be written as what? That cos h square x sin h, if I have 2 sin h x cos h x, that will become sin h 2x. But here square is there, so I should divide and multiply by not just 2, I have to divide it and multiply by 4. So this will become what? I can write this as sin h 2x whole square by 4. Okay. Now cos h square x minus sin h square x. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But when it comes to hyperbolic function, it is cos h square x minus sin square h square x. It is nothing but equal to 1. And this value cos h square x plus sin h square x. There cos 2x is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. But in hyperbolic function, it is cos h square x plus sin h square x is nothing but equal to cos h 2x. It is what? Cos h 2x. So this will be 1. This will be cos h 2x. Got it? Now this entire function, this is 1, this will be 1 into cos h 2x, okay, divided by what is this? Sin 4 will come up, this 4 will come up, this will become sin h square x, okay, sin h square x or sin h 2x whole square. Okay. Now if I bring sin h 2x to the top, that is 1 by sin is what? Cosec. So this will become what? 4 times cos h 2x into what is this? Cosec 2x whole square. That is nothing but what? Which is the option? That is 4 cos h 2x into cosec 2x whole square. That is option 4 is the right answer, friends. Option 4 is the right answer. I hope it is clear. Alright. Option 4 is the right answer to this question. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question, friends. I hope it is clear. You can copy this or you can take a screenshot of this. Very simple question. Just you should know the identities when it comes to hyperbolic functions. Don't get confused with normal trigonometric functions. Got it? Now let us have a look at this. They were given three sides, A, B, C are the sides of a triangle, then its circumradius. Very simple question, straightforward question, but little calculation is there, that's all. Very simple question. So let us have a look at this. So if they ask circumradius, that is R can be written as what? R can be written as ABC by 4K. Okay, K is what? I can write as area of triangle. To find the area of triangle, first of all I should know what? Semi-perimeter. Here semi-perimeter is nothing but equal to what? A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is nothing but equal to what? A plus B plus C is what? 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 by 2. Okay, 15 by 2. So area of triangle is using Heron's formula. K can be written as, I can write it as S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So this will become what, friends? This will become 15 by 2 into 15 by 2 minus 15 by 2 minus 3 into 15 by 2 minus, what is it? 15 by 2 minus 5 into 15 by 2 minus, what is it? 7. Okay, 15 by 2 minus 7. Now if I take LCM, this will become what? 15 by 2 into, if I take LCM, 15 by 2, 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6 is 9 by 2, 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10 is 10 by 2, 15 minus 10 is actually, 15 minus 10 is actually it should be 5 by 2, sorry, 15 minus 10 is it should be 5 by 2. Now what I have? 15 into 14, this will be 15 minus 14, if I take LCM, this will be 1 by 2, okay, this is what I have. Now this is what? Under square root 9 is there, so this 9 if it comes out, this will be 3, under square root 2 2s are 4, okay, 4 if it comes down, actually this will be 2, this will be 2 2s are 4, under square root means if it comes out, this will be actually this should be denominator, this should be 3 by 2, again 2 2s are 4 is there, what is that? If 2 2s are 4 is there means it will become what? 2 2s are 4 is there means under square root if it comes out, it will become 2, 3 by 2 into 2, what is this? 15 into 5, 15 into 5 is 75, 75 can be written as what? 25 into 3, 25 square root is what? 5, so 5 into root 3, so this will become what? 15 by 4 into root 3, this K value is got it, what we got it? 15 by 4 into root 3, so we have to put it here, so R is equal to what? ABC, A is what? 3 into 5 into 7, ABC by 4K, 4 into K is what? K what we got, friends? 15 into root 3 by 4, 4 cancels, here 5 3s are, okay, 5 3s are, 3 1s are 3, so R is equal to what? 7 by root 3, R is equal to what? 7 by root 3, okay, that is the answer we got, that is first answer is the correct answer, 7 by root 3 is the right answer. So most importantly you have to understand circumradius, the formula is ABC by 4 times the area of triangle. Area of the triangle, first find the semi-perimeter, then use Heron's formula and find the area of triangle. Is it clear, friends? I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next one. Okay, let us move to the next one. If ABC, the values are given, if it is in triplets, instead of using Heron's formula, you can use half into base into height. If it is right angle triangle, here it is not right angle triangle, definitely we should use Heron's formula. Clear? Let us move to the next question, friends. Alright, let us move to the next question. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question. Okay, alright. Question number 29. See here, in this question, they have given two ships leave a port at same time. One of them moves in the direction of east 50 degree or north. Okay, 50 degree north of east. Okay, 50 degree north of east. 50 degree east of north. Actually, east of 50 degree east of north. Okay, east 50 degree of north with a speed of 8 km, and other moves in the direction of south 20 degree of east with a speed of 12 km per hour. Okay, then the distance travelled by the ships at the end of 2 hours. They are asking the distance. So first of all, in 2 hours, how much they have travelled? Let us find out. Let the ship be A and B. Okay, A ship would have travelled what? Let this be A. A ship would have travelled how much? Let us see. A ship would have travelled, that is 2 hours means 8 into 2, that is 24 km. B ship would have travelled how much? 12 into 2, that is what? Distance, that is 12 into 2 is actually 8 into 2 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16 km and 12 into 2 is 24 km. Got it? Now we got A and B. Now they are asking us to find what? Then the distance between two ships. To find the distance between two ships, let us use the cosine rule. Let us use the cosine rule. Cosine rule says what? D square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Now the question that you will have is what is theta? Now they are telling 50 50 degree east of north. 50 degree east of north means it will be first 50 degree, next then they are telling 20 degree east of south, 20 degree east of south. Okay, now they are talking about north and south, they are talking about north and south, okay, and they are talking about east. So from east to south or east to north, what is the degree? Okay, from east to north, what is the degree? It is 90 degree. East to south, what is the degree? It is what? It is it is 90 degree. So we have to consider that 90 degree angle also. So this will become 90 degree. So this will become what? This total value will become what? This will become 160 degree. So I have to find what? So this will be a square is 16 square, that is 250. 16 square is what? 256. 24 square is 576 minus 2ab. 2 into ab is nothing but equal to what? Cos into 2 into ab is, actually we will get it as 2 into 16 into what is it? 24 into cos 160 degree. Okay. Now I will calculating this. On calculating this, this is 250 plus 550. 250 plus 550 is what? Like this you have to calculate. 250 plus 550 is 600, 800, 800 plus 8926 plus 6, 832. 832 minus 24 into 2 is, first let me do 2 into 16 into 24. Okay, cos 150. Cos 150, it is close to, very close to what? Cos 150 is very close to, I will take it as cos in 160, I will take it close to, very close to what? 150 degree. Cos 160 degree, I will take it close to 160 degree, so that it becomes very easy for me to calculate. Or I can take it as what? I can take it close to cos 180. Cos 180 is nothing but equal to what? Cos 180. Cos 180 is nothing but equal to minus 1. So this will become plus. So I can write this as what? Minus 1 into minus, this will become plus. So this will be 832 plus 16 into 24. Okay, 16 into 22, 6 is 16 into 24 is what? 16 4 is 64. Okay, 16 2 is 32, 32 38 into 2. So this will become what, friends? D square will be equal to 832. Okay, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 768. Okay, 832 plus 768. Okay, 832 plus 768, this will be 10. Okay, 7 plus 8 15, 1600. 1600. Okay, 1600, if I put D, it will be equal to 1600, means it will become close to 400. Okay, out of these values, if I put 8 into root 20, okay, 8 into root 20, or if I put it close to 4, okay, 8 into root 20 or root 19, this will come close to this one. Okay, this 400 will be very much close to 8 into root 19. Okay, because we have taken very close value. Okay, so that is option is what? Option 3 is the right answer. Here you will get confused with while taking angle. There you should be careful. Okay, so please copy this, or you can take cos 150 also. You will get it close to 8 times root 19. Clear? I hope it is clear. You can copy this solution. Let us move to the next question, friends. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question. That is question number 30. That is question number 30. See here. Here they have given in a triangle ABC. BC is given. CA is given. They are asking us to find what? Okay, then they are asking us to find the perimeter of the triangle. To find the perimeter of the triangle, first of all, you know that vector AB plus BC plus CA, this is equal to what? This is equal to 0. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now BC plus CA I have to find AB. To find AB, what I can do? To find AB, if I send BC plus CA this side, what it will become? This will become minus I minus 6I, minus I minus 6I. What about this J? This will become plus 2J minus 3J. Okay, what about K? This will become minus 2K minus plus 2K. So minus 2K plus 2K can cancel. So AB will be equal to what? This will be minus 7I minus 2J minus I is, this will become minus 3J is minus I. Okay, we got AB also. Now we have to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, what we have to need? We need the length. So length is nothing but the magnitude. So the magnitude of, let us find the magnitude. Okay, to find the magnitude, what I can do? Magnitude of, let me find AB. Magnitude of AB is what? Square root of 7 square plus 1 square. That is nothing but square root of 50. That is 25 root 2. 25 into 2 under square root. That will become what? 5 root 2. Similarly, I have to find BC is under square root. Magnitude of BC. BC is what? Square root of 1 square. 1 square, that is nothing but equal to 1 plus 2 square is 4. okay, plus again 2 square is 4, that is nothing but equal to square root of 9, that is equal to 3 I will get. What about CA? I have to find CA. So the magnitude of CA is what? Magnitude of CA is square root of 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, all right. Plus 2 square is 4. This will be equal to square root of 49. That is nothing but equal to 7. So I want the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? AB plus BC plus CA. That is AB plus BC plus CA. That is magnitude. Magnitude. This is magnitude. This is magnitude. That is nothing but equal to what, friends? That is nothing but equal to 7 plus 3 plus what is that? 5 root 2. Okay. So this will be equal to what? 5 root 2 plus 7 plus 3 is 10. We got 5 root 2 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 5 root 2 plus 10. Here what I can take common? I can take 5 common. This will become root 2 plus 2. 5 times root 2 plus 2, that, or 5 times 2 plus root 2, that is option 2 is the right answer, friends. That is option 2 is the right answer to this question. Alright, option 2 is the right answer to this question. I hope you understood. Very simple question. Vectors chapter. Okay, vectors chapter. See, if you know vectors, then coordinate geometry becomes easy. That is 3D geometry becomes easy. So direction question, direction ratios. The word direction itself says it is talking about vectors. So vectors chapter you should be very much clear. Okay, next questions are also based on vectors. We will solve it in the next class, that is in the tomorrow session. I hope the session was useful. Please take a screenshot of this so that it will be useful for you when you solve the question by yourself. Okay, all right. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please do share it with your friends. And another information, JEE Mains long term program is going to start from July 1st. Okay, please do join. We will come up with the strategy session tomorrow, which you can watch, where you will get complete information when it comes to JEE Main 2026 long term program. All right, friends, I will wind up now. Thank you. Take care.